you know what? I thought it would be fun to do a little setup tour of what I stream with right here. If you guys give a shit. I've had some people ask, what do you stream with? So I got this new technology where I can basically have a camera wireless from my phone, which is pretty cool. And so I figured I can use that technology to give you a tour around my little streaming setup right now. So you want to go on a tour? Let's go on a tour, people. Okay? I'll switch it to camera view. All right. You see? We're in camera view. I'll go like this. I'm going to turn you around. Sorry. All right. So we'll do the full tour. That's my cup of coffee and my Golden Girls mug. Okay? I got my desk here. My desk here, I should talk in the mic so you can actually hear me. So yeah, that's how dumb I am. So my desk is actually a Husky workbench. I got it at Home Depot. These Husky workbenches are legit. They're like $300-$400. They're kind of expensive, but they're the most sturdy desk of all time. And yeah, I like the look of it with the wood and everything. I think it looks cool in here. I got my Stream Deck Pro or whatever. It's like my buttons. That's how I use to get through all my little scenes and stuff. I got my computer. Look at that Hodge modulation. Holy shit balls. That's a bug out. Now my computer is essentially just my MacBook Pro. I have on a little thing here, and then I have it connected to the Mac monitor, so I have a little more space. I got the Elgato lights. They are the Key Light Airs. So I have 2 Key Light Airs here that illuminate my face. My camera is a Canon. What is this? Oh, M50. It's a Canon M50 Mark II with a 24-1.4 lens. I think it's a 24. (16:1.4). Sorry about that. 16 millimeter 1.4 lens. I use a Rodecaster Pro to run everything through, right? So it's all nice and even. I don't do any Hodge modulation of mic whatsoever. So there's a lot of little different options you can do to like kind of like adjust the settings on the mic, de-essers and the Aphex on board effects and everything to make you sound like Howard Stern. Anytime I mess with effects on this, it made me sound weird and Hodge modulated. So I have zero. This is literally just a raw mic. This is a raw Shure SM7B. Right, a raw Shure SM7B running raw dog, no condom, nothing, right through the Rodecaster Pro. And yeah, that's how I cued like my different DJ drops and everything. Nick Spinelli, your mother's sister's friend's cousin's dog's favorite DJ. Hell yeah, right? Over here, I just have some stuff. Mind your business, okay? Stop being nosy. Stop being nosy. But I just got some basically stuff hung up and everything over here. DJ AM's shirt. That's one of the things I got from his little. He had a fundraiser for his the documentary or whatever. So I got a shirt and pictures of him wearing it. I don't know. Shouts to DJ AM. That's pretty much it. And then if you go over here, honestly, that's where I stream on Twitch. So you can see my whole Twitch streaming setup. Similar setup over here. I got the key lights here. So 2 key lights for the Twitch setup. I got the mic, Shure mic over there, the Rev 7, 2 monitors, my background, everything. And yeah, it's pretty simple as far as like setup. My bags. Shouts to Jetpack. 4 Jetpack bags ready to go. And then my printer where I print my paperwork. That's about it though. It's a very simple setup, people. It's just kind of how I stream. It works, A big thing too, I would say as far as, if you're trying to have more depth, I'm using, this is like a 200 square foot room. It's a very small room. But what I did is I set up against the wall and then I have this distance that goes behind me. So it creates like more of a depth. You know what I mean? So that's the door, whatever. So you can see it's like a really, really small room. But I just created that a distance behind me. So there's essentially like more depth. So it looks like it's like a bigger room than it is. Like, so there's a solid, I would say, maybe 8 feet going behind me. So you can have that depth of field. Rather than set up my stream where like the wall is directly behind me. I feel like that makes the stream feel a little more stuffy, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Like I like to have like a distance behind me, even if it's just a short amount. The camera adds a few inches, as they say, so it makes it look a little more.